His Excellency, Vice President of Uganda, Professor Gilbert Bukenya, my friend Anil and Sunil, the great reformer and ex-finance minister of Japan, Professor Takinaka, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last ceremony of the Vibrant Gujarat Investor Summit 2009. This is a historic summit. The rest of the world is watching us. I think we can now give a new direction of confidence building to the rest of the developing world, developing economies, a confidence to face the present financial crisis. Certain economies use all alphabets from A to Z, trying to define the present economy. Call it crisis, call it meltdown, call it recession, or call it slowdown. But the last 2 days, Vibrant Gujarat Global Investor Summit has redefined the economic crisis using the same alphabets, A to Z. We now call it confidence, call it opportunity, call it vibrancy, or call it stability. Ladies and gentlemen, in the beginning I announced the figure. This is the real success of this event. And when I look at the success of this whole event, emotionally I feel, and I declare, I dedicate this successful summit to the youth of Gujarat. They are the future of Gujarat. And we are trying hard to build a foundation for the bright future of my youth of my state. And that's why I dedicate this success, this summit, to the youth of my state. Friends, normally since last few years, the Davos summit is very popular. The World Economic Forum and Davos is popularly known in the whole financial world, industrial world, and amongst the academicians. I can visualize in 2011, in our next summit, the Vibrant Gujarat Global Investor Summit will be known with reference to Davos. The Davos Summit organized by the World Economic Forum, by and large the 500 fortune companies, the world business leaders, they are coming together. They talk about the future development. They talk about the global economic condition. Maximum time they are spending for the networking. In a way, the Davos is a forum for intellectual activity. If Davos gives you a platform for the intellectual activity, the Vibrant Gujarat Global Event Summit will be a Davos in action. This will be a Davos in action. Here one can see how we can change the whole scenario, how we can build the confidence, how we can create the mutual understanding. It's not mere a matter of how many crores. It's a matter of faith, confidence, mutual understanding. And this is what this Vibrant Gujarat Global Investor Summit has created. And this is something unique. One cannot evaluate. उसको तराजू से तोला नहीं जा सकता है कि समीट से क्या निकला है। मित्र, भरोसा बहुत बड़ी ताकत होता है, विश्वास बहुत बड़ी संपत्ति होता है। एक छोटा बालक भी अगर नदी पार करनी है और कोई भरोसे का व्यक्ति उंगली पकड़कर ले जाने मिल जाए तो बच्चा अपनी जिंदगी दांव पे लगा करके चल पड़ता है। भरोसे की ये ताकत है, ये विश्वास, दिस कॉन्फिडेंस, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंड दिस इज व्हाट दिस समिट इज। At the time of economic meltdown, this summit is of a special significance. It is a testimony to Gujarat's credibility. It is a commitment to the government for fast and sustainable economic growth. This will give a new direction and hope for the country. This will prove right what Pricewaterhouse and Goldman Sachs predicted. By 2050, India will become an economic superpower. Friends, I am confident India is going to be an economic superpower. Gujarat is providing a strong foundation to realize the dream of 2050. This summit provides a strong foundation to realize that dream. Of course, we have completed 4 summits. We have learned so many things. And after this success, again I say, from this summit also, we will learn and we will try for a perfection. In next summit, with more perfection, with more vibrancy, we will come.